Hey Paul, got a little demonstration video here for you of the circuit that you ordered that has 3 of the simulated rotating beacons for, I believe this is for a Vulcan. This is your circuit board, and as we discussed, we're using 2 chips on this circuit so that you have, there's 1 and 2, so that you have some variation in the action of the beacons, so they don't all come on and off and look phony and look as if they're all tied together. They aren't. This is the little push button right here that you use to change the speed of the beacons, and I'll show you here in a minute how they what they look like. These are the 5mm straw hat LEDs that I was telling you about. These have a very short profile. They don't stick up or stick out the way a regular round top LED does, and you'll see that the angle at which you can view them, I'm almost 90 degrees to that LED right now, and as you can see, you still see a lot of the light output. You have 2 basic circuits here. You've got these 2 LEDs right here that are on one of the chips, and they flash alternately. They simulated rotating beacon function alternately, and then you have the third one down here that kind of does its own thing, and the speed on it is set. It's hard coded into the circuit, but the speed of the other 2 is adjustable using that little push button, and I'll show you here the difference. I'm gonna let everything kind of stabilize here. You'll see the top 2 LEDs, you'll see that they're alternating back and forth at, this is the slowest speed. Okay, now I've pressed the button, and now you'll see that the speed of those 2 has increased, and I'm going to press it again, and you'll see that now the rotating simulation is much greater. And by doing it the way we have, the effect that you have now is that you've got 3 simulated rotating beacons that are all doing their own thing. None of them are flashing at the same time, and this is the way it would be on a full-scale aircraft because of the way the motors in those beacons are made, and the circuitry is such that they don't all wind up at the same point in the rotation, the 360-degree rotation. So as they operate, they don't all appear to rotate the same way. So I'm going to post this video to YouTube so you can get a look at it before I actually ship it. And if everything looks good, let me know, and I'll get it headed your way tomorrow. Thank you, Paul.